Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Equation Essence. This is Ifra and I hope you all are doing good. We will start exercise 5.3 today of chapter number 5 arithmetic progression. We have done exercise 5.2, 5.1. We have done introductory part. 5.2 में हमने क्या देखा था कि हम terms कैसे निकालेंगे. 5.1 में हमने देखा था whether the sequence is in the form of AP or not. In exercise 5.3 हम लोग क्या फाइंड करेंगे, हम लोग सम फाइंड करेंगे. कोई भी एक AP हमें दिया हुआ होगा, हम उस AP का सम निकालेंगे by using the formula Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ये वाला फॉर्मूला आप इंट्रोडक्टरी वाले वीडियो में देखेंगे तो आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा. Without wasting our time, let's start equation number 1 of chapter number 5. Find the sum of the following APs. First AP क्या है 2, 7, 12 up to 10 terms. सबसे पहले हम फॉर्मूला लिख लेते हैं Sn is equals to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 10 टर्म्स का हमें निकालना है, मतलब n इज इक्वल्स टू 10 है. S10 हमें फाइंड करना है. a की वैल्यू हमें गिवन है 2, d की वैल्यू है 7 माइनस 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 5. S10 इज इक्वल्स टू 10 अपॉन 2 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 10 माइनस 1 इंटू 5. 5 2 2 is 4 plus 9 into 5, 45. 5 into 49. 5 9s are 45, 5 4s are 20, 245. The sum of 10 terms is 245. Move on to the second part. यहाँ पर हमें 12 टर्म्स का सम निकालना है, मतलब S12 हमें निकालना है. ए की वैल्यू है -37, d is equals to -33 minus -37 is equals to +4. S12 is equals to 12 upon 2 2 into -37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. 6 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 1 7 plus 11 into 4 is 44. 6 minus 74 plus 44. माइनस करेंगे, साइन माइनस का आएगा. 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3. 6 3s are 18. तो सम की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी -108. This is your second part. Now move on to the third part. Third part is 0.6, 1.7, 2.8 up to 100 terms. मतलब हमें S100 निकालना है. The value of A is 0.6. The value of D is 1.7 minus 0.6, that is 1.1. S100 is equals to 100 divided by 1. 2 into 0.6. 100 minus 1 into 1.1. 50 1.2 plus 99 into 1.1. 99 को 1.1 से करेंगे 199 199. 50 1.2 plus 108.9. 50 into इसे हम ऐड करेंगे 11 9 1 10. 5 ones are 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 0 1 point. So S100 की वैल्यू आ गई है हमारी 5505. Move on to the second part. Fourth part is 1/15, 1/12, 1/10 up to 11 terms. मतलब हमें S11 की वैल्यू निकालनी है. A is equals to 1/15 हमें given है. D is equals to 1/12 minus 1/15, 60. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 is 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60 minus 15 fours are 60. D की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारी 1/60. S11 is equals to 11/2, 2 into A plus 11 minus 1 into D. 11/2, 2/15 plus 10/60. 11/2 एलसीएम ले लेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा 60 हमारा. 15 4s are 4 2s are 8 plus 10. 11 into 18 divided by 2 into 60. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6. 33 divided by 20. The sum of 11 terms is 33 divided by 20. So this is all about question number 1. Now move on to question number 2. Question number 2, part 1 is A is equals to 7, D is equals to 10, 1/2 minus 7. 10 2s are 20, 120, 1/2 minus 7. 21/2 minus 7 2s are 14 is equals to 7/2. D की वैल्यू 7/2 आ गई. AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is 84, A is 7 plus N हमें निकालना है 7/2. तो 84 minus 7 is equals to N minus 1, 7/2. 14 minus 7 is 7. N minus 1, 7, 11. N minus 1 is equals to 22. So N is equals to 23. N की वैल्यू 23 आ गई है. S23 हमें निकालना है. So S23 is equals to 23/2. 2 into 7 plus 23 minus 1 into 7/2. 23/2. 2A, 7 2s are 14 plus 22 into 7/2. 11. 23/2. 14 plus 77. 23/2. 7 plus 4 is 11. 91. 91 into 23. 3 1s are 3, 9 3s are 27. 2 1s are 2, 9 2s are 18. 3 9 10. 2093 divided by 2. This is the sum of 23 terms. Now move on to the second part. Second part is 34, 32, 30 and up to 10. So A is equals to 34. D is equals to 32 minus 34 is minus 2. AN is equals to 10. So 10 is equals to 34 plus N minus 1 into 2. 10 minus 34 is equals to 2 N minus 1. 4, 2 divided by 2 is equals to N minus 1. S13 is equals to 13/2. 2 into A की वैल्यू है 34 प्लस 13 minus 1 into D की वैल्यू है minus 2. 13 divided by 2. 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6 plus 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. 13 divided by 2, 68 minus 24. 8 minus 4 is 4, 6 minus 2 is 4. 13 into 22. 13 multiplied by 22. 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 6, 8, 2. 286. So the sum of 13 terms is 286. This is the second part. Now move on to the third part. Third part is -5, -8, -11 up to -230. A की वैल्यू हमें -5 दे रखी है. D की वैल्यू है -8 minus -5 is -3. AN is equals to -230. AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. -230 is equals to -5 plus n minus 1 into -3. -230 plus 5 is equals to -3 n minus 1 minus 225 divided by -3 is equals to n minus 1. 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15. So n is equals to 75 plus 1 is equals to 76. n की वैल्यू 76 आ गई है. अब हमें S76 की वैल्यू निकालनी है. 76 divided by 2. 2 into -5 plus 76 minus 1 into D की वैल्यू क्या है -3. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, minus 10 plus 75 into -3. 38 minus 10 minus 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 22. 38 into -2, 35. 5 8s are 40, 8 3s are 24, 28, 8 2s are 16, 17, 18. 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 1, 10, 3 2s are 6, 1, 7, 0, 10, 13, 9, 8. 8, 9, 3, 0. Sum of 76 terms is 8, 9, 3, 0. ये जो हमारा 8, 9, 3, 0 आ रहा है आंसर, क्योंकि ये माइनस साइन है तो साइन शुड बी नेगेटिव. And this is the sum of the 76 terms. And this is the third part of question number 2. Now move on to the next question. Question number 3 is, in an AP, and first part is given that A is equals to 5, D is equals to 3, AN is equals to 50, find the value of N and SN. जैसे हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में करा था, AN निकाल लेंगे A plus N minus 1 into D करके 5 plus N minus 1 into 3. AN की वैल्यू है 50. तो 50 is equals to 50 minus 5. 45 is equals to N minus 1 into 3. N minus 1 is equals to 45 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. N is equals to 60. 15 है, 1 इधर जाएगा, n की वैल्यू 16 आ जाएगी. S16 is equals to 16 upon 2 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into D की वैल्यू है 3. 8 10 plus 15 into 3. 8 10 plus 45. 8 into 55. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 और 4 44. तो x16 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई हमारी 440. This is the first part. Move on to the next part. Given A is equals to 7, A13 is equals to 35. हमें find करनी है the value of D and S13. A13 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं A plus 12D. A13 की वैल्यू है 35, A की वैल्यू हमें 7 गिवन है 12D. 35 minus 7 is equals to 12D. D is equals to 35 minus 7. 7 plus 35, 28. 2 is a 4, 6 is a 12, 2 is a 6, 2 is a 14. D की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 7/3. S13 is equals to 13/2. 2 into 7 plus 13 minus 1 into 7/3. 13/2, 7 2s are 14 plus 12 into 7/3. 3 4s are 12. 13/2, 14 plus 7 4s are 28. 8 plus 4 is 12. 42. 13/2 into 42. 2 is a 4, 2 1s are 2. 13 into 21. 13, 21. 1 3 is a 3, 1 1 is a 1, 3 2 is a 6, 2 1 is a 2. 372. 273. So the sum of 13 terms is 273. This is your second part. Now move on to the third part. Third part is A12 37D is equals to 3. Find A and S12. A12 को हम लिख सकते हैं A plus 11D. A12 की वैल्यू 37 is equals to A हमें पता नहीं है 11 into 3. A is equals to 37 minus 33. A की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 4. Now we have to find the value of S12. 12/2. 2 into 4 plus 12 minus 4 into, what is the value of D? 3. 6. 6. 4 2s are 8 plus 11 into 3. 6. 8 plus 33. 6 into 8 plus 3 is 11. 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So the sum of 12 terms is 246 and the value of A is 4. This is all about the third part. Now move on to the fourth. Fourth part is A3 is equals to 15 and S10 is equals to 125. We have to find the value of D and A10. A3 को हम लिख सकते हैं A plus 2D. 15 is equals to A plus 2D. This is our first equation. Now S10 is equals to 10/2. 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. S10 की वैल्यू है 125 is equals to 5. 2A plus 9D. 2A plus 9D is equals to 125 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. This is our equation number 2. On solving equation 1 and 2, 2A plus 9D is equals to 25. और equation 1 को अगर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें तो 2A plus 4D is equals to 30. माइनस कर लें, ये कैंसिल. 5D is equals to -5. So D की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी -1. D की वैल्यू -1 है तो A की वैल्यू क्या निकालेंगे? A plus 2D is equals to 15 था तो A minus 2 is equals to 15. तो A is equals to 17. A10 की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए A plus 9D निकालना पड़ेगा. 17 plus 9 into -1. 17 minus 9 is 8. So A10 की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 8. This is all about fourth part of question number 3. Now move on to the fifth part. Fifth part is D is equals to 5, S9 is equals to 75. So S9 is equals to 9 upon 2, 2a plus 9 minus 1 is 8 into 5. S9 की वैल्यू 75 गिवन है, 9 upon 2, 2a plus 5 8 are 40. 75 into 2 divided by 9 is equals to 2a plus 40. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15. Minus 4 3s are 12 upon 3 is equals to 2a minus 70 divided by 3 into 2 is equals to a. A is equals to minus 35 divided by 3. This is the value of a. Now we have to find the value of a9, which is equals to a plus ad minus 35 divided by 3 plus 8 into minus 35 divided by 3 plus 5 8 are 40, minus 35 plus 4 3 is 12 divided by 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. 11 minus 3 is 8 divided by 3. This is the value of a9. So this is the fifth part. Now move on to the sixth part. Sixth part is, given that a is equals to 2, d is equals to 8 and Sn is equals to 90, find the value of n and an. So an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to 2 plus n minus 1 into 8. This is equation number 1. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equals to 90 is equals to n upon 2, 2 into 2, 4 plus n minus 1 into 8. 180 divided by n is equals to 4 plus 8 n minus 1. हम इसे सॉल्व करें, हो जाएगा 180 is equals to 4n plus 8n n minus 1. 4n plus 8n square minus 8n is equals to 180. 8n square minus 4n is equals to 180. इस पूरे को हम 4 से जब डिवाइड करेंगे तो हो जाएगा 4n square 2n square minus n. 4 4 are 16, 4 5 are 20. So this is a required. So let's solve this quadratic form equation by using the middle term 2n square minus n minus 45 is equals to 0. प्लस माइनस करने पे 1 आना चाहिए, मल्टीप्लाई करने पर 45 आना चाहिए. So let's take 10 into 9. Here मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आना चाहिए हमारा 90 एंड प्लस माइनस करने पर आना चाहिए हमारा 1. So let's take 9 and 10. 10n यहाँ पे अगर हम कॉमन लें 2n को तो हो जाएगा n minus 5. यहाँ पे अगर हम 9 कॉमन लेंगे तो हो जाएगा n minus 5 is equal to 0. So n minus 5 and 2n plus n is equals to 0. तो इससे n की वैल्यू आएगी हमारी 5 और n की वैल्यू आएगी minus 9/2, which is not possible. So n की वैल्यू हमारी 5 आ गई है. जब n की वैल्यू 5 आ गई है तो a5 की वैल्यू हो जाएगी a plus 4d. The value of a is 2. The value of d is 8. 2 plus 4 3 is 32. 2 plus 4 8 the 32 is 34. So A5 की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 34 and N की वैल्यू आ गई हमारी 5. This is the sixth part. Now move on to the seventh part. Question number 7 is, given that A is equals to 8 and AN is equals to 62, SN is equals to 210, find the value of N and D. So AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. 62 is equals to 8 plus N minus 1 into D. और N minus 1 into D की वैल्यू आ गई है 62 minus 8 is 54. This is your equation number 1. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn की वैल्यू है 210. n हमें मालूम नहीं तो हम इसको इंटू 2 डिवाइडेड बाय n कर लेते हैं. 2a की वैल्यू है 8 2 16 प्लस n minus 1 into d. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 divided by n. Minus 16 is equals to n minus 1 into d. This is your equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d दोनों को हम अगर इक्वल कर लें तो 420 divided by n minus 16 is equals to 54. 420 divided by n is equals to 54 plus 16. Four 20 divided by n is equals to 6 plus 70. So n is equals to 420. So n is equals to 6. जब n की वैल्यू 6 आ जाएगी, substitute the value of n in equation number 1. तो ये हो जाएगा 6 minus 1 into d is equals to 54. 5d is equals to 54. So d is equals to 54 upon 5. This is the value of d and this is the value of n. Now move on to the 8th part. 8th part is an is equals to 4, d is equals to 2, sn is equals to minus 14. So an को हम लिख सकते हैं a plus n minus 1 into d. an 4 है, a की वैल्यू हमें मालूम नहीं, n minus 1, d की वैल्यू 2. 4 is equals to a plus 2n minus 2. इधर ले जाएंगे तो a plus 2n की वैल्यू आ जाएगी हमारी 6. This is your equation number 1. Now Sn is equals to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Minus 14 is equals to n upon 2. a की वैल्यू क्या है? 4 to the 8 plus we don't know the value of a. So 2a is plus 2 n minus 1. Minus 28 is equals to n 2a plus 2n minus 2. We'll take common 2 here and write as 2n is equals to a plus from here a is equals to अगर हम 6 minus 2n लिख दें और उसको हम अगर इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दें तो शायद काम बन जाए हमारा. 2n ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं, a की जगह 6 minus 2n लिख देते हैं प्लस n minus 1 फिर 2n 5 minus n. क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इस पे भी बनेगी हमारी 10n minus 2n square is equals to minus 28. 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो 5n minus n square is equals to minus 14 या n square minus 5n minus 14 is equals to 0. माइनस से हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया पूरी इक्वेशन को. अगर हम इसके प्लस माइनस करेंगे तो हमें चाहिए -5 एंड मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो चाहिए -40. लेट्स टेक 7 and 2. तो n square minus 7n minus plus 2n minus 14 is equals to 0. n कॉमन लेंगे तो जाएगा n minus 7 plus 2 कॉमन लेंगे जाएगा n minus 7. So n is equals to n plus 2 and n minus 7 is equals to 0. n की वैल्यू आएगी -2 और 7. -2 not possible, 7 is possible. So the value of n is 7. And substitute the value of n in this equation. A is equals to 6 minus 2n. 6 minus 7 to the 14 is equals to -8. The value of A is -8. The value of n is 7. The value of A is -8. This is the 8th part. Now move on to the 9th part. 9th part is A is equals to 3, n is equals to 8. Sum of 8 terms is 192. We have to find D. So Sn is equals to n upon 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. (192) is equals to 8 upon 2. 2 into 3, 6 plus 7 into d. 192 divided by 4 is equal to 6 plus 17. 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32. So 7d is equals to 48 minus 6 to 4, 7d. D is equals to 42 upon 7. 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. The value of D is 6. In this question, we only have to find the value of D, which is 6. Now move on to 10th part. 10th part is L is equals to 28. L का मतलब AN. लास्ट टर्म 28 दे रखी है और SN दे रखा है 144. टोटल 9 टर्म्स है, मतलब A9 is equals to 28 है एंड S9 is equals to 144 है. हमें बतानी है वैल्यू ऑफ A. तो A प्लस 8D की वैल्यू है हमारी 28. डी की वैल्यू हमें मालूम नहीं है, डी की भी निकालनी पड़ेगी. और 144 is equals to 9 upon 2 2a plus 8d. 9 minus 1 is 8d. इसकी वैल्यू ये दे रखी है हमें. तो 144 multiplied by 2 divided by 9 is equals to 2a plus 8d. इसको हम लिख सकते हैं a plus 8d. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 1s are 2 divided by 9. इस पूरे की वैल्यू इक्वेशन नंबर 1 से हम डाल दें. फ्रॉम इक्वेशन 1 a plus 8d की वैल्यू क्या है 28 is equals to 288 divided by 9. 3 3s are 9, 3 9s are 27, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. A is equals to 32 minus 28. A is equals to 4. The value of A is 4. And substitute the value of A in. Yeah, we don't have to find the value of D. So the value of A is 4. This is all about the 10th part. Now move on to question number 4.